Hi, all. Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Okay.
morning.
Okay, guys. Last session, what we discussed?
We discussion about API, creating new API.
Very good. We discussed about how to create a brand new API, right?
Yes.
So, if you want to create API, what are all the things required?
The resource path.
Very good. Resource path.
Method, request, response, HTTP status code.
Perfect. Okay. See, if you remember these 5 things, so you can construct, you can build any kind of API very easily. Okay. So if you want to construct any kind of API, we need these things: resource path, method, request, response, and then HTTP status codes. Okay. Okay. Now we have successfully completed our design, right? Now let me go back here. Let me log in here. It is asking login. Let me log in it. So whenever if you are seeing this yellow line, can you see read only view? That means you cannot edit here. Okay, because it is there in the read only mode. Click on this option, edit spec. So now that you can edit your API. Okay, so this is the API which we created yesterday. That means our design is completed. Okay. So what you guys will do? Say suppose you want to construct a house. So you approach the architect, design architect. Okay. He designed your house and he gave it to you. So what is the next step? I'm asking general questions, not MuleSoft interview question.
We will check.
Very good. We are going to check their design, right?
Yes.
So here also we created a API, right? We need to test this application. See why we are getting error. So try it. So we need to pass some values. Let me look consent. Okay, it is giving success response 200. Now, what is the next step? So whoever assigned this work, we need to send it to them, right?
Yes.
So we need to send this design to client or your manager or your team lead. Okay. What they will do, they are going to check this API specification, how it is working. Okay. So to do that, we have to mock this URL. Okay. So again, this is the interview question. What do you mean by mocking? Mocking means it is a temporary URL to the client applications. Can you see this setting button? Mocking service configuration. Click on this plus button. Can you see there is an option called make public? You just click on this checkbox. The moment you check this box, you will get one URL. Copy this URL and give it to them. So they are going to test this application in the postman. Try to paste it over here. Okay. So this is the
That is which application?
okay slash. So we need to provide the resource path addition. And apart from this, we are passing some query parameters, right? Number 1. Number 2. and we need to provide some values. So the moment I click on send, what it is giving? It is giving 200 and the result is 8. Okay, this is dummy mocking URL, right? So even if we test here, it is giving same result, right or wrong?
Yes.
So let me click on this. See, same result. So client also, he tested this API, it is working fine. So now what we need to do? So even if you like this design, we need to change it. Okay. If don't like your design, you have to ask them to change your design and he is going to change. Okay. Still you don't like, again what you need to do? Again you have to inform to them, saying that, hey, still again I don't like, I want to change over here somewhere. Okay. Until unless if you are happy with that design, we should not start development, right or wrong? So here also, whatever we created, okay, if he is happy, then we need to start our development. Okay. If you want to, client said okay, same response is getting, he is happy with our result. Now client said okay, whatever you implemented, that is fair enough. Now what you need to do, try to start your development activities. Okay. So if you want to start your development activities, what you need to do, first you have to publish your API to Exchange. Can you see publish option? Just click on publish to Exchange. It is asking asset version. You just provide. See, asset version, example they give 1.0.0. Okay. 1.0.0 means this is the semantic version. Okay. Semantic version. Can you see sem version? Sem version is nothing but semantic version. Semantic version is nothing but, so this is called a major version, minor version, and then patch. You click on this link. Can you see semantic version? Major version, minor version, patch. Can you see? Major, minor, patch. So patch means if you have any bugs and if you are fixing that, this version you can change it. Minor version means if you are adding any functionality, like if you are adding extra methods and all, you can change this. And if you are breaking entire functionality, you can change this version. Understood? So we'll discuss about more in the coming classes. Just I explained you a brief idea. So now what I'll do, we need to provide this major version, minor version, patch. Okay. If you provide only two, it will throw error. If you deploy this application, see, invalid version, expecting XYZ format, major, minor, patch. Somebody making noise. Please go on mute. Okay. See, it is expecting XYZ format, but I give only XY format. So again, provide .0 and deploy our application. So that means once you deploy, once you publish your applications to Exchange, your design part is completed. It is successfully published to Exchange. Click on done. So now our design is completed. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to start our development activity. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll go to this Anypoint Studio. I'll create a new project, create new. Here I'm going to provide name as Cal something. Okay. Now what I'll do, I already created some design, right? In the design center. Can you see download RAML from the design center? I'll select this option and I'll click on this three dots. So the moment I click on this, automatically what will happen? It is going to link to your Anypoint platform. So already I logged in, that's why it is not giving, any pop-up. For you, if you are doing first time, it may ask you username and password of your Anypoint platform, so that it will add your account. Can you see? My account is got added. What is our API name? Calculator API. Select this, click on OK. Okay. So it is importing. See, you are importing the following API calculator. It got imported successfully. Now click on finish. So the moment you click on finish, automatically some flows will be generated for you. See, did I created any flow here? See, automatically it got created 3 flows: API main flow, console flow, this method flow. Okay, right? So these are the flows. One sec. Okay, can you see 3 flows got created automatically? Now, if I want to run this application, right click, run the project. See, as it is, I am running. I am not, doing. I did not do any change over here. So this may take some time to deploy your application. See, your application is deployed. Now let me test this application. See, what is it is giving 0, 2. It is giving still 8, right? That means same dummy it is working. Now what we need to do in the development class? We need to implement the business logic, right or wrong?
Yes.
So where I'm getting this response? So here I'm getting this response. Addition is 8. Okay. This we will not get it. Whatever I am passing here, if I pass 0 plus 2, it should display 2. Okay. That we need to get it. So for that, we need to start our development. Okay. So in the development, what we are doing, we are passing 2 numbers right here. So the 2 numbers we need to store. So where we can store usually some values? Any guess from anyone?
Data item or variable.
Variable, very good. So here come to mule palette, just type variable, set variable, just drag and drop this variable here. Okay. So what is variable? Variable is the name given to the memory location where the data value will be stored. Simply I can say we can store some values in the variable. Okay. So here I'm writing number 1. Okay. And here, so this variable, some message format will be there. I will explain you in coming classes. Attributes dot, where we are passing query parameters, right? Query parameters dot number 1. Okay. Next I'm going to take one more variable. Why? Because number 2 I'm passing. Number 2 So here I am writing attributes dot query params dot number 2. Okay. So this is how I'm going to store this variable. Now what will happen if I pass 0 here? Okay, this 0 value will come over here and it will store here in this variable. Okay, and if I pass another value, it will come and it will store here. So these two we need to combine it, right? Then only I'll get the output. Right or wrong?
Yes.
So I'll go to this transform message. So here addition is 8 is there, right? I'm going to delete this. I don't want to display this. Okay. Now I created this variable, right? How to call this variable? If you want to call this variable, you have to use the keyword called vars. Vars dot number 1 plus vars dot number 2. Okay. Now I'm going to save this application. So if I save this, next time it will not show deployed. What it will show? Started. Started means your changes will be deployed. See, started app calc. Okay. Now let me clear this. I'll go to Postman. If I click on send, it will display 2. See, result is 2. Now if we change value 63, what it will display? 65. If I write 20, 83. See, this is how we need to implement the business logic. Now it is working like calculator only, right?
Yes.
Okay, any questions here?
Sir, we are not changing numbers, sir. Number
Sorry?
1. We are not changing number 1, number 2 variables, sir.
Yeah, variable name you cannot change. Values we are changing, right? Even if you open calculator app, if you write 5 plus 3, what it is giving? 8, right? Same, you can pass it. We're getting 8. Same, right?
Okay.
So
So
we'll
this is
explain regarding this postman and all in the upcoming classes.
in upcoming classes, I'll explain how to install this Postman, how to test this, everything I'll explain. What is this local host? Everything I'll explain.
Okay.
Today just demo, right? So what I explained, how to create a API, how to test that API, after that how to import that studio, how to start development, how we need to implement the business logic. Just end to end API lifecycle I'm explaining here.
Okay.
Understood? So in the coming classes, each and every class I'll take 1 hour, and then we will discuss each and every topic in detail. Okay.
Okay.
Others, any questions? See, if you are very new to this, okay, maybe if you are expert in some other technologies, okay, if you don't know anything, don't hesitate. Directly you can ask me. Okay. So if you ask me some Informatica or some other database or SAP, even I cannot answer. I don't know anything. I am expert into Mule, right? So like this, you guys are new to this Mule. That's it. You guys are familiar with some other technology, right? So if you are learning something new, don't hesitate. If I ask this question, what trainer will think, what others will think, what they will think, let them think. Okay, you need to know the concept. You need to understand this. Okay. No questions, all are good.
In that real time also, like that, sir, facing the issues.
This is what real time. Whatever I am explaining here, everything we are doing in the office only. Same I am explaining here. Okay. Even if you go to office, there is no change. Once you create RAML, you have to publish to the exchange. You need to import like this only. There is no other option. See, daily whatever I am explaining, already what I implemented in my office, same I am going to explain you guys.
Sir, good morning.
Yes, tell me.
As a developer, we have to write the RAM specification mandatory.
If the project is from scratch, always we need to write it.
Okay, so I hear the architecture will write that RAML specification.
No. Architect never ever write that RAML. Why he will write RAML? Developers will be there, right?
Okay,
Architect, what he will do, he will talk about business, and that project he will convert into sprint wise. He is allocated to developers or team leads. That's it.
okay.
Okay.
So we have,
He's going to think high level, like how much of traffic it is coming, how many servers we need to maintain. Okay. Everything he will think like this. Okay. RAML is like freshers, 1 year, 2 years, people will write. Very easy that RAML. Okay.
okay.
Even in my office, I'm not going to write RAML. I can give it to my juniors developers. They can create it. See, they will give you any kind of API within 2 hours. You can finish that RAML. That much of easy, At least in this RAML, what we are doing in this API, everything we are writing, right? Addition, method, request, response, right? But in the organization, what will happen? Everything they will provide you in the spreadsheet. Just you have to copy paste it. That's it. Understood? You don't want to think about which name I need to keep it. Okay. Which request I need to pass, which response I need to pass. Don't think anything. If you know the structure, okay, everything will be available. All will be ready-made stuff. Okay.
Sir, can you show me spreadsheet? Can you show me spreadsheet?
Okay. సో ఇలా ఉంటుందండి ఇంకోటి చూపిస్తాను సో ఇలా ఉంటుంది మీకు ఇది ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ జీమెయిల్ దాని డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇది ఓకేనా సో రిసోర్స్ పాత్ ఇది దిస్ ఇస్ ద రిసోర్స్ పాత్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెథడ్ ఓకే ఇది రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈ రిక్వెస్ట్ పాస్ చేయాలి ఈ రెస్పాన్స్ ఓకే తర్వాత ఈ డేటా టైప్స్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి ఓకేనా ఈ స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి 400 404 ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇలా ఇస్తారండి జస్ట్ వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ వీ నీడ్ టు కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఇట్ clear so I'm going to provide all this spreadsheet with you okay as I promised I am going to share these 5 live APIs with you okay these are all office APIs I can share with you clear
Okay.
okay any other questions if you don't have any questions I'm going to wind up this session now, and we will meet on Monday. So Monday onwards, we will start our actual classes, day 1, paid classes. Okay. So if you are interested to learn this MuleSoft, okay, you can register, and Monday onwards, we will start our actual design classes from day 1 onwards. Okay. So initial 2 days, 1 or 2 days, we will go with very basic, then we will go to advanced level, then we will go to real-time APIs. So like this, yes.
సార్ మండే నుంచి కొంచెం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ బోత్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ యూజ్ చేయాలా సార్?
యా సో తెలుగులో
Because-
చెప్పడానికి ప్రాబ్లం కాదండి. తెలుగులో చెప్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే రేపు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి పోయినప్పుడు నీకు టెర్మినాలజీ రాదు.
అదే టర్మినాలజీ దగ్గర కాదు, కొంచెం ఏదో నాకు ఇప్పుడు అది విన్న తర్వాత కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ అనిపించింది యాజ్ కంపేర్ టు మీ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ చెక్ చేసినప్పుడు అది కొంచెం స్లో, ఇది కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ అనిపించింది.
ఫాస్ట్ ఏం కాదండి, డెమో అట్లా ఉంటాయి. సో మీ క్లాసెస్ నిదానంగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే ఓకే, అదే మీరు డెమో వీడియోస్ నేను చూస్తే అవి కొంచెం స్లో అనిపించాయి, అందుకని
క్లాసెస్ అన్ని అలానే ఉంటాయి.
బోత్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ తెలుగు అంటే ఇప్పుడు నాది చూస్తే అగ్రికల్చర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కదా, కొంచెం అవి టర్మ్స్ ఇవన్నీ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలంటే కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది, అందుకని.
ఓకే ఓకే,
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
యా. Others, ఏమైనా questions? Any questions from anyone?
The connector, then how to use that connector? How can we know which connector we need to use for addition? You are using some transform something. Then change.
That and all I will explain in the classes. Okay, what we will do in the mule palette, we have options, right? So whatever we are using in the real time, I will tell you. So from once I start development, what is choice, what is flow reference, what is set variable, transformers, request, listener, logger, everything I will explain. Okay, so same options, same components, connectors you are going to use in the real time also. You will not get something new. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Monday onwards, paid classes will start.
Yes.
After the class, we can get recordings of every
yeah
class.
yeah every day we'll get the recordings. What we will do, I already created a group, okay, WhatsApp group. In that 4 people already registered. Okay.
Okay.
So once you guys register, what will happen, we are going to collect all your from the group. Okay, so once we collect your mail IDs, we are going to provide access like this. Okay. So classes will be like this. We are going to mention class 1, class 2, class 3. Okay. Now, if you open this class, you will get one link. The moment you click on this link, it will redirect to that video. So it will play this video like this. Okay.
Where to register, sir?
No, people to whom you contacted, you can directly pay amount to them.
Okay.
Okay. So that they will add you in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Yeah. I think you contacted me, right?
Sir, any chance for the evening session classes?
Yeah.
Evening, it may take time, sir. Why? Because already one batch is running. Okay, even I am working, right? So for me, office will be there like 10 to 7. So what I will do, 7 to 9, I will take 2 batches. And then after my office, 7 to 8, I will take 1 more batch. That is already running. So once I finish that batch, then only I can take next batch in the evening.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to open previous developed projects? How to open previous developed files or programs?
Previous developed means?
Today you will develop the calendar API, no?
It will be here.
Tomorrow, how to open and edit?
Same, if you open the studio, it will open directly like this. If it is development like this, so if it is Anypoint Platform, So yesterday only I created, right? There it is. This one. Once you log in this, what will happen? Automatically, you can see all your APIs.
No, sorry. In Studio, how to open and edit?
Automatically, it will save it. See, today I created calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
Once you open, automatically it will be here only. It will not go anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, if you create one more project, it will come over here itself. See, let me write sample. If you finish it, the 2 projects will be there. Whatever you want to open, you can open it. Okay. Like this, you can open it. That's it.
Edit option is possible, sir, after closing the project and proceed.
See, here I closed, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, whatever you want, just open it. Click on it. It will open. Again, if you don't want it, close it. You want to open another project, just open it. And this nothing is there.
Thank you, sir.
So if you want to connect the multiple systems, so how we are going to connect with the configurations?
You can use HTTP request. If it is, RESTful APIs, you can use this HTTP request, so that here you have to provide that path. Whatever the system you want to connect, that path you can provide over there. Okay. If it is SOAP based application, you have to use this consume operation. This is for RESTful API. This is for SOAP APIs. Okay. So here you have to provide that visual file location. So everything we will cover in the coming classes.
So what
Okay,
are
guys.
so what are the issues coming in real time, sir, frequently like that?
That depends upon whatever the system you are going to connect. See, if you are connecting with the database or Salesforce or SAP, if system will fail, what kind of errors we will get? That completely depends on project. Okay.
Can you cover all that?
Yeah, I will explain you. We will connect, database. We will connect Salesforce. All we will discuss. Okay, then what we will do, we will catch up on Monday. So once you register that, you will get my number. Still, if you have any question, you can text me to my number, so I can guide you guys. Okay. Okay. Thanks all. Happy weekend. We'll catch up.
Today there is no topic.
Sorry.
I joined it. Today is there no topic, right?
Topic is over.
Monday. Oh, topic on just when it started.
8 o'clock it started.
Oh, it's 8 or 7. Okay. So what you explain? Can you explain?
Yeah, you will get the recording. You will just go through that. Again, if I want to explain, again I need to spend some 37 minutes. Okay.
37.
Hmm.
Oh, it started 8, right? Just now, right? It started.
No, 8 o'clock.
Oh, you changed time?
I did not change. Time will be 8 to 9 only on daily basis. You joined late.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Tell me.
Sir, is the class on weekends as well?
If you guys are okay, I'm ready. I'm happy to take weekends also.
No, I'm just asking.
No, even just I'm saying. I'll be free, completely free on weekends, because no office, right? So 1 hour I can spend. If you want, I can take. If you want some extra time also, I can take it. That completely depends on you guys. If you guys, everyone is okay, then okay. Some people, they are, they will have some plans, right? If they said okay, they want only weekdays, we'll continue weekdays. Up to you.
Yeah, because I attended today class only, not yesterday's class. I didn't.
Oh, so people who attended today, what you need to do, to whom you contacted, you can ask them previous recordings. Okay, you just go through all the 3 videos today, sorry, Saturday and Sunday. So if you are guys comfortable, you can join.
Okay. And one more thing, sir. He said, yeah, I can ask you about the project and all after the
session.
So everything will be a project that you are going to do.
So we are going to explain you 5 live APIs in the design. Okay. In the development project means it may take 3 months to explain all this. So that's why in project, what are all the components, connectors which we are using, that everything I will explain you complete real time. And real time, all the real time topics, I can show you complete practical sessions. And then at the end, we will share some resumes, and I will explain you project, how you need to explain to the interviewer. That and all I can help you, and I'm going to provide you all the interview questions, answers, everything. You just go through demo video and yesterday and today's video, you will come to know everything.
Yeah, I do. And one more thing, sir, he said there will be a apart from this course, not included this course, apart from this course, there will be a project that, for that I need to talk to instructor or something, he said.
Yeah, once we complete this basics, you can attend some interviews, then we will see. Okay. Why? Because whatever I'm explaining, that is fair enough to clear your interviews. Okay.
It is not about interview, sir. Just I'm asking, there will be a live project that is 4 minutes, 4 months now, 4 months, and that is apart from this course, there will be a project.
We are going to provide
that
you
is
that.
Different.
That is different. See, these are the projects. Okay, live
These
project.
are
Only projects we will explain. Complete, projects. That batch maybe still we did not, finalized. One batch is going to end within a week.
Okay,
so
after when you start, sir? Because
that we need to see how many people will enroll. Accordingly, we'll see.
Yeah, I would like to, whenever you start, please let me know.
I will
also,
update.
Also let me know how it works, like
sure.
Structure and everything will be there, right? So
what we will do, I will keep everything in my WhatsApp state. Once you guys registered, you will get my number, right? So that you get all your updates, my updates, you can watch it over there. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Others, any questions still in your mind? Okay, don't worry. Like whatever I will explain, if you practice, you definitely will get a job. Okay, but you need to focus this entire classes. At least you have to spend daily 2 hours, so that definitely easily will get a job. So many opportunities are there. Okay. Okay then. Happy weekend.
Yes. Yeah, we have
Monday, what time it will start?
Monday 8 to 9.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks all. We'll meet on Monday.
Thank you.
Thanks all. Monday Independence Day, right? Okay. We'll start that day on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Thanks all.
Thank you all.